Okay, I know that this course is more for beginner to advanced people, so I will not overwhelm you with too many apps, and I will suggest you only the ones that will really help your store and definitely worth the money. So I have the list right here in apps, and I'll go through each one of them and tell you shortly what them does. First one is Hurify. This app create urgency and make the customers want to buy it now, because like you see, Hurify add a timer and a countdown number, and I really recommend you to use it because this is an excellent tool to get more sales. Next one is Lux Reviews. This app adds photo reviews with text, and in my personal opinion is the best for this kind of stuff because increases customer desire to buy the product. For import the product, you go to import reviews, drag this to your bookmark bar like I do right now. Now let's go on AliExpress and find the product. Give me just 1 second. I'll do that right now. Let's choose this watch, and now we click import reviews. The thing is that you need to choose for what product do you want to import reviews, and we don't have this product on our website, but doesn't matter, we're gonna fill this up just for example purposes. So chin starts only reviews with photos. Let's choose this first one, alpha, and we click preview and import, and from here you just accept or reject the reviews. So next and last one is abandonment protector. This app is really good for your store, and as soon as you guys start to make sales, you should have this app on your store. So basically what this app does is if a customer comes onto your website, checks out and abandons his cart, this app will basically send 3 emails, and you can add that from automated follow-ups. I'll show right now. So as you can see, they have all these emails variations, but I only using the abandonment protector. And right here you have a lot of templates for your emails. It's very easy to find one very good, and just select one that you like it, or I don't know. And for enabling this feature, you need to create 3 email templates using these ones, and this is it, guys. I hope you like this lesson, and I see you in the next one.